How to get a public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually get a public profile on Snapchat. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to actually get a public profile on Snapchat, first of all, just open up Snapchat. Then all you have to do is just tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then you'll come to your profile page, and if you scroll down, you'll find the option called create public profile. But if you don't find this option, that is because you have to customize a few of your privacy settings. If you don't find it, then what you need to do is tap on the gear icon from the top right first. Then just scroll down over here. You can see this privacy control settings, right? So first of all, see who can contact me. Just set this to everyone. Then after that, who can use my Bitmoji avatar, set it to the maximum privacy possible. Then you can see send me notifications, maximum privacy, again everyone. Then again you have to go to view my story, then again select everyone, and then after that spotlight reply settings, again select auto approval, whatever else. See me in QuickCat, make sure to check that, and then after that you should be able to find other customization options. Then once you've done that, only you'll find the option called create public profile. So you might need to relaunch the app for that. Then just tap on create public profile option. Then just you'll see this, just tap on the get started button, then tap on create public profile. Then once you've done that, your public profile will be successfully created on Snapchat. And this is basically it on how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.